Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a Spanish word and different phrases that use that Spanish word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. A big shout out to this channel member. Thank you so much for your support. And also, if you're interested in getting a membership on this channel and support the creation of future lessons, you can do that by checking out the memberships. I'm leaving some information here about 3 different memberships and what the perks are and all that good stuff. Okay, let's get it started. So we're going to go over a few Spanish phrases that use the Spanish word golpe. Golpe. Golpe means punch, a punch. Un golpe, a punch. When you use this word in different sentences or different phrases, the meaning can change. So that's why we're going to talk about some interesting phrases or interesting Spanish phrases that use this word. Okay, the first one is de golpe. De golpe. De golpe means suddenly or all at once. So de golpe, the phrase means suddenly or all at once. Now, let's see a few examples using this phrase. María abrió la puerta de golpe. María abrió la puerta de golpe. This means Maria opened the door suddenly. So we can see the golpe right here, and it means suddenly, when something happens unexpectedly, fast. Someone was like, oh my God, María abrió la puerta de golpe. María abrió la puerta de golpe. This means Maria opened the door suddenly. Okay? Now the other example is, no bebas la cerveza de golpe. No bebas la cerveza de golpe. This means don't drink the beer all at once. Yeah, so de golpe here means all at once. We can see that de golpe can be used in 2 different situations. The first one is when something happens suddenly, when someone opens the door suddenly. And in the second example, we can see that de golpe means all at once. So don't drink something all at once because it's not good for you. No bebas la cerveza de golpe. Don't drink the beer all at once. So if you're drinking or eating or doing something that is not good to do all at once, you can use de golpe. De golpe. Okay? So that's quite interesting. De golpe. De golpe doesn't refer to something like a punch. Nope. We're talking about something that happens suddenly or all at once. De golpe. Okay. Now let's see another phrase. Golpe de suerte. Golpe de suerte. This means stroke of luck. So let's see an example using this phrase. Tuve un golpe de suerte al ganar la lotería. Tuve un golpe de suerte al ganar la lotería. This means I had a stroke of luck in winning the lottery. Who wouldn't like to win the lottery, right? So you can use golpe de suerte when you were lucky that you had a really good situation where you won something, where you found something. You know, just as you would use stroke of luck, you can use golpe de suerte in similar situations, just pretty much in the same situations where you can use the English phrase stroke of luck. Okay, so that's another interesting phrase. Okay, let's see another interesting phrase. Derribar de un golpe. Derribar de un golpe. This means to knock down. Okay, so let's see an example using this phrase. El luchador derriba de golpe a sus oponentes. El luchador derriba de golpe a sus oponentes. This means the wrestler knocks down his opponents. Derribar is a Spanish verb, so in order to use this phrase, you need to know the conjugation of this verb, derribar. That's why I have here derriba. El luchador derriba de golpe a sus oponentes. The wrestler knocks down his opponents. Golpe, once again, has a different meaning here. All the phrases that we have learned, they're all similar in one thing, that something happens fast, just like a punch. A punch happens fast. And all the phrases have that in common. Something happens fast, suddenly, all at once, and so on. Okay? Let's see another phrase. Dar un golpe. Dar un golpe. This means to hit or to punch. Now, golpe here is not an adjective. It's not a punch. It's more like an action. Golpe here refers to an action when using or when saying the whole phrase. Dar un golpe refers to an action. To hit, to punch. Let's see one example. El boxeador le dio un golpe al referee. El boxeador le dio un golpe al referee. This means the boxer hit or punched the referee. Dio un golpe means hit or punched in the situation. Of course, there are different ways to say to hit or to punch in Spanish, but this is one way of many to refer to hit or to punch. Dar un golpe. Okay, well, that's it for today. I think we learned quite a few phrases and they're all very interesting. I'm gonna say my favorite phrase was the first one. This one, de golpe, suddenly, all at once. De golpe. María abrió la puerta de golpe. No bebas la cerveza de golpe. That's like my favorite phrase out of the other ones. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And remember that you can get a membership on this channel that supports this channel greatly. If you would rather donate to this channel, you can do that on smlessons.com. You only need to click on the PayPal button. And yeah, that's awesome as well. Leave more examples down below using these phrases. And of course, another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.